The Lord be with you. Happy New Year, everyone! Today is January 1st, 2025. We start the year with our Blessed Mother as we celebrate today the solemnity of the motherhood of Mary as the Mother of God. This is one of the things being contested in our Catholic faith. Whenever we call Mary as the Mother of God. For them, how can be Mary the Mother of God if she is just a human person? Because for them, to say Mary as the Mother of God will make Mary as God. By human logic, it may be so, but in God, no. Because Mary is the Mother of God for one simple reason. Because Jesus is a true God and true man. Mary gave birth not just to Jesus the man, but Jesus, true God, true man, 100% God, 100% human. It was not like when Mary gave birth to Jesus, she gave birth to Jesus the man, and only later on that Jesus the God came in. No. Jesus is true God and true man, undivided unity. That is our faith. As we celebrate January 1st, and as we begin this 2025 Jubilee year of hope, like Mary, let us have hope in our heart that everything will be made possible in God's fullness of time. Through God's wonderful love and mercy, He will answer all our prayers. We just have to be humble. We just have to completely trust the Lord. And we just have to have our joy in our heart like Mary. And everything will be made possible. Let Mary be our guide, because Mary will certainly bring us closer to Jesus. Happy New Year, everyone.